Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Malibu Limited. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, front bucket seats, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.